to clear cache on Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Now here, so click on Samsung keyboard settings. So after click on Samsung keyboard setting, click on reset to default setting and click on, you will see clear cache. So if you want to clear cache Samsung keyboard, so click on clear cache. So after the process, go back. So there is another way of clear cache keyboard app. So click on apps. Now here's the search keyboard. So you will see, click on Samsung keyboard, and if you want to clear cache, so click on storage. So after click on storage, click on clear cache. You will see after clear cache, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can clear cache on Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.